Okay, so we're going to be making our 5-pointed star with this square piece of origami paper. This piece is about 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. It doesn't matter what size square you use as long as it's a square piece of paper. Something like 5 inches by 5 inches, 6 inches by 6 inches, 8 inches by 8 inches. It's fine as long as your paper is square. I'm going to begin by folding it in half like this. Then I'm going to take the lower left-hand corner and fold it to the diagonally opposite upper right-hand corner. Okay. Now I am going to take the upper left-hand corner and fold it downwards. To the diagonally opposite lower right hand corner. So then I have my little X pattern here on this side. I'm going to take the lower right hand side of the paper and bring it into the center of the X and just go down and across to the fold here. If you're not using origami paper, or actually it's a little bonus if you want to use any flat, like a ruler or a popsicle stick, any flat surface to help you fold these more directly. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm going to take my corner here that is at the center of my X. I'm going to bring it out to the outer edge, just on this fold right here. Flatten, like always. So this is what I have. I have this little kite shape here that's right next to my X in the middle. Now I'm going to take the lower left-hand corner and bring it up to the opposing diagonal once again. Everything's flat here and following form. So now I have this. I have my fold here and my kite here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to the opposite side. So I'm going to just fold it in half like that. Let me do that one more time and show you. So I was here, I'm doing my final fold. I was here with my kite shape. I'm here with my last fold here, and I'm going to just bring it to the opposite, resulting in my final shape. So now I have what looks like this final handkerchief fold right here. I'm going to make my cut. So my cut is going to leave me with this triangle here on the bottom. So there is a bit of paper waste which you can recycle or do something else with. I'm going to make my triangle cut right here. Here's my result, my triangle. Then I'm going to unfold it and look at my star. So my star is almost there, just needs to have some lines brought out in it. So this is my 5-pointed star. You'll see some of the folds are the opposite of where they should be. And I just need to put some folds in it to make it pop correctly. It needs to pop correctly like this star that I already completed earlier. I need to make these lines pop out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, start on the white side here, and I am going to fold out the little outline of each of the 5 points towards me. crease right there. Just going along the outline of each of the 5 points, folding that paper towards me. Once I've done the outline of each 5 points, it's easier to handle in your hand. Then I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to, on the purple side, fold these creases that emanate from the middle of each of the 5 points. I'm going to fold them towards me. This is what gives the star its final shape. I'm going to keep doing this, going around and around. Then you can start folding them together like this. And you can see now I have, I'm going to go back and do this one. Now that I've hand done it, now I have my proper 5-point star.